Alright, guys. Oh, in today's animal, we're going mining, but not me. I am not going mining. My friend is going mining, and he's never played Animal Company before. Yeah, yeah. Oh my, what is this? Bro, my game lagged. Yeah, yeah, he's over here playing Clash of Clans. Oh my god. Yeah, here. Alright, well, let me get you looted up. Watch out. I'm gonna buy you, like, the stuff that you need, like a grappler and, hold on, green. Do you have pickaxes unlocked? We can use the crowbar. They work the same. So you use the crowbar to hit stuff, Tristan. Alright, so I'll get you a light. I'll also get you, I'll get both of y'all a grappler. There's your grappler. Hey, there's your grappler. Alright, now we're gonna head over to the mines. Then I'll let, him, start the video. Alright, I'll get you in the mines. And yeah, hold on. Oh, we need a bag. Guys, we need a bag. Yeah, I'm getting you all loaded up. To use the grappler gun, you just use it like a normal gun. Press the trigger thingy. I'll get you. Do you want a shotgun to kill the spider? I'll give you a. All right, I'll buy you. I'll buy two shotguns, one for you and one for my friend. All right, now we need. There's your shotgun. All right, bag. No, not that one. I'll buy you that one. No, you can. Yeah, you can have that one. There's your shotgun right there. All right. So now we're gonna go to the mines, and then I'll let Tristan. Yeah, but the video can't be that long because my YouTube thing will just say the video is too long and can't be posted. All right, so I'll get you to the entrance of mines. You know what? Oh, whoa! The controllers are being weird. Oh gosh. Oh, a cat. Where are the? Oh, uh, okay, I'm on. Oh whoa. Hello. Oh whoa. Whoa, what's this place? What the heck? When was I over here? Yeah, I am his friend. I actually have played on here like once, but that was like the only time I played. Is someone playing music? Oh, I'm in like the back of the place. Oh, there you are. How do I go mining? Oh, that's cool. Oh, I mined it. I mined it. That was my first time mining something. Whoa. Ooh. Where's there? Oh, whoa. This clover's. Oh, whoa. It's so satisfying. Oh, whoa. Oh, so weird. Oh, that's how I do it. How do I? I know it's a spider. Uh, other. Oh, oh gosh. Okay, that scared the crap out of me. That scared me. Hold on. Hmm? What bar? Oh, someone joined? Where are you? I'm sorry, I don't know where the heck you are. Ooh, what? Oh, who is he? Oh, died. Oh no! No! Dang it, I died. I'm back. Oh, I cannot see. Hello? Are you near? Hello? Is he? Hello? Hello? You near? You're going the right way. Hey, where's the orange? Man, I'm dead. That's good. Oh no! Die, spider! I killed a spider! That was my first time. Jeez. I didn't realize this game would be this scary. Are you near? Frick. I'm getting double crowbar. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna go to grapple hook and be smart. Hmm. Hello? Oh, heck no! Ow! I can't hit him through the. No, I'm dead. Ooh, glitch. Found a rock. I glitched inside of. Frick! How did I die already? I mean, I think I can go a bit further. Wait, can we do like 2 parts? Okay.